All right, look, your situation is your situation. It's 100% your responsibility. It only affects you. Well, it mostly affects you, but it's going to affect those who depend on you as well. It's going to affect the ones you love, you care about, your family. Um, you've got to take responsibility and you've got to own your position. You got to own your station. So what I want you to take away from that is two things. There's two elements to that. One, don't just blindly follow what anybody tells you. You see, like I said, there's lots of stuff in the social media, in the media, in the news. There's headlines, and you want to believe that if it's a headline, you read the article's like an expert, right? No. Validate this expert, okay? They're journalists. They're not necessarily expert. Now, some journalists actually verify information with experts. And when we're talking about investing, we're talking about the stock market, we're talking about real estate, we're talking about anything involving your money. They're getting information from somewhere. Now, you want to hope, you want to believe, you want to trust that these journalists are being genuine and honest. They're journalists. Some of them are good people. Some of them are being genuine. Some of them just aren't as good at their job as you'd hope they were. Maybe some of their intentions are completely altruistic. Not likely, though. Some people are just, I don't know, bad people. Some people do bad things. Some people spin information because it gets them attention. It gets them ratings. It pushes a narrative that they want to push. Now, the word narrative is thrown around a whole lot in today's society because everybody's got social media and everybody wants to put a narrative out there about what they think about society, what they think about the economy, what they think about the politics, what they think about everything. And the word narrative is constantly used as a negative thing. Narrative just means story. That's all it is. And journalism is a story. Like I said, everybody wants to put the word narrative out there as if it's the narrative, then it's a lie. Not necessarily. Stories can be factual. Stories can absolutely be truthful. But how truthful are they? It's up to you to figure that out. You've got to validate and verify each source that you find. They're journalists. It's their goal to get you to read, not to make you money. They're trying to put money in their pocket, not yours. Now, second, like I said, first, it's your responsibility because you've got to find this information, right? And you've got to not just blindly trust anybody's information. You can't be controlled by what other people are going to say. But second, you've got to take control yourself. What you do with your money, how you invest it, you've got to take control of what you're doing and make sure that you're making the most out of your money. You've spent a lot of time, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears earning your dollar, and then you've got to take that dollar and turn it into more dollars. You can't just count on more time to work more hours. You can't always bank on that. You've got to do more to make more. If you don't ever make money while you're sleeping, you'll be working till you die. And that's not the goal. That's not financial freedom. That's not where any of us really want to be. We really want to get to a place of financial freedom where we can spend to provide for our families. And we can spend to provide for our families with the intention of providing for our families, getting them food, getting them quality food, not having to question, well, is this food healthier, but how much does it cost? I'm not talking about living a life of luxury because, you know what? Because living a life of luxury, absolutely, if that's what you want, go for it. I have no beef with that. I don't at all try to hinder people from getting the most out of their dollars. But people have thrown shade at me on social media multiple times telling me that I'm materialistic or that I'm shallow because I talk a lot about money. That's my platform. I'm trying to help you get financial freedom. Talking about money doesn't make you a bad person, and talking about money doesn't mean you're materialistic. It means that, like I said, going back to a basic need of food, you want to be able to, I've known plenty of people that they're like, you know what? Buying crappy food is cheaper than buying healthy food. Buying, canned food is cheaper than buying fresh vegetables. And there's nothing wrong with canned food. There's nothing wrong with these different things. But if you want to have the choice to buy the best possible food that you think your son or daughter, your husband, your wife, your family needs? Financial freedom. You need to set yourself up for success so that way money isn't the issue. I want to talk about this more, but I just wanted to drop this right quick, a short little blurb for y'all, because I got love for y'all, I got respect for y'all, and I want the best out of life for y'all. I want the best out of life for me, but I want the best for you as well. Let's all go out there and let's do better today. Let's go and make sure that we're taking responsibility for our financial station, our financial position in life right now. All right, it's your boy. I'm out.